We pray for wisdom and compassion as we work to help the state of Andhra Pradesh and its people. Please be seated. Let us start our questionnaire. Now I got 5 starred questions and 2 unstarred.
As many of us have gone to the news of collecting illegal penalties from the vehicle owner to the local newspaper, and I am happy to say that those people who are collecting money without giving any challenge from the vehicle owners were caught and punished legally. Necessary steps were taken to prevent this problem, and we discussed along with the concerned SP.
All the honorable members were satisfied? Yes, you can say. And I request
problem became corrupted and have been charging money from the people illegally. And I would like to know whether any steps are taken against this, as the problem is faced by the public irrespective of the reason.
the question is presented to the Home of Rights.
Madam Speaker, I would like to raise another important problem related to R&B department. The condition of roads is horrible and one can experience living hell while traveling on such roads. Particularly during rainy seasons, people are facing many problems due to the damaged roads. In this condition, I would like to get a positive reason from our Honorable Minister.
Madam Speaker, I am here to say that Rs 10 crores was action towards the road repairs and reconstruction of causes due to low standard of materials used by concerned contractor. This type of situation is repeated again and again. So I would like to appoint a committee to address the work who has specific contractor who had more successful rate as well as transparency in civil works.
You can sit. And now I requested the honorable member from TRS party, which is related to pensions revenue.
Madam Speaker, I feel ashamed of asking this question to the ruling party. Even the old age pensions which we feel helpless world citizens were not distributed on time. And even while distribution, the pensioners are facing more problems. That came to our notice that concerned revenue department people are expecting bribes from the pensioners. So I would get an effective answer in this issue.
The question is presented to the revenue minister.
అధ్యక్ష గౌరవ సభ్యులు అడిగిన ప్రశ్నకు సమాధానం ద్వారా తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను. దీనిపై విచారణ కమిటీ వేశాం. విచారణ జరుగుతుంది. ఇది నిజమని తెలిసే కమిషన్ అధికారిపై అనగా ఎంఆర్ఓ మరియు ఆర్టీఓపై తగిన చర్యలు తీసుకొని ఎటువంటి మోసాలు జరగకుండా సకాలంలో పెన్షన్దారులకు పెన్షన్ అందేలా చర్యలు చేపడతాం అని గౌరవ సభ్యులకు మీ ద్వారా తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాను అధ్యక్ష.
Yes, you can say. All the honorable members are satisfied? Now I requested the YRS party member, which is related to the Aadhaar card.
Madam Speaker, one more question. I would like to ask the honorable ruling party members to clarify the relation between Aadhaar card and gas subsidy. I would like to bring to your notice that in Nellore district only 20% of people got Aadhaar cards. If it is not so, how it is possible for the others to claim subsidy without submitting Aadhaar card in banks? This is my first question. And even after submitting the required documents, consumers are not getting any subsidy. So what is the use of thinking pains and submitting these many documents and making fools of us?
The question is presented to the civil supplies.
Madam Speaker, our opposition leader starts like an ignorant in this issue. In order to prevent black marketing through gas agency, we have introduced this kind of system so that the consumer would have an accountability and fair non-laws.
State can conveniently function from a set of decent, dignified and spacious outfits located in close proximity. While the boundary determinations should be done ideally in respect to electoral constituencies, judiciary bodies and other administrative units.
Yes, you can speak out.
We are supporting We are supporting the bifurcation of Telangana because we are facing so many problems of the water problem. We are facing so many water problems. The excess amount of water only given to the only Seemandhra people only. So due to the another second reason for the bifurcation of this Telangana is the unemployment problem. The number of the multinational companies are preferring only the Seemandhra region people. అందువల్ల మా తెలంగాణ యువత 1000 మంది వరకు సూసైడ్ చేస్తున్నారుగా మేము చెప్పవలసిన. అలాగే మా ప్రాణహిత చేవల ప్రాజెక్టు నుండి జాతీయం చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. మా శంకరంపల్లి 1400 గ్యాస్ ఆధారిత విద్యుత్ ప్లాంట్ కు అవసరమైన గ్యాస్ ని ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. అలాగే 1969లో జీవో 36 ప్రకారం 24,000 మంది సీమాంధ్ర ఉద్యోగులు అక్రమంగా తెలంగాణలో ఉద్యోగం చేస్తున్నారు. మేము ఇప్పుడు అడిగినా మీరు ఎవరు పట్టించుకోలేదు. కానీ
Madam Speaker, I would like to know one thing from your end. How the city of Hyderabad could be given to Telangana when people from all three regions in the state contributes to its development? Jagan Babu says he is spending sleepless nights when Congress had announced its decision
మీరు సప్రయోజనాల కోసం కాకుండా రాష్ట్ర ప్రయోజనాల కోసం ఎక్కువ కృషి చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
Now I request the Lok Samata Party to speak on this issue.
Madam Speaker, I strongly condemn the revision of AP without consensus among all regions. NDTs, UP and TOM are determined to destroy Indian federalism. Major issues are left unaddressed in the hash for vote banks. Rayalaseema is the most backward region of Andhra Pradesh. Restituted AP will have huge revenue defects in loss of Hyderabad. The division creates more problems than it solves. There will not be schism between coastal AP and Rayalaseema. Is that the intent? The division voting the UPA government.
मगर हैदराबाद के सिवा कोई राजधानी नहीं चाहिए। करीब 10 साल तक हैदराबाद अब इसी समय के अंदर आंध्र प्रदेश के नई राजधानी का निर्माण हो जाएगा। अध्यक्ष, राष्ट्र विभाजन के पश्चात हैदराबाद मंडल को ही संयुक्त राजधानी के रूप में रखना वह भी 10 साल ना हो। अध्यक्ष, सिर्फ 180 किलोमीटर